Hi guys, welcome to my channel Muhammed Adil is son. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Zmoji. Let's go.
Okay, we can open Play Store and search for make your own Zmoji. You can see the make your own Zmoji. You can see first the rating is 4.7. You can open it. You will touch the screen, it will open like this. Then it will show black color. You have to wait for 2 and 5 minutes. Then wait. You each ask your gender. I'm giving a boy, then I'm giving my gender. Yeah, you can choose which your skin color and which you like your hair. You can click the hair, and next is your eye. You can choose. So
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, comment and like to my video. Bye bye. See you next week.